What's up everyone, it's Tech Tutorus and we're diving into a topic that's reshaping everything artificial intelligence. AI is undeniably changing the game across industries, from how we work and learn to how we get around and even receive healthcare. In this video, we're breaking down the tangible ways AI is impacting our world right now. We're talking automation boosting efficiency, AI predicting market trends, and potential health issues. And of course, no tech exploration would be complete without looking ahead. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about how AI is streamlining repetitive tasks. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are assembling products with precision and consistency. In finance, algorithms handle transactions, detect fraud, and manage investments, freeing up human analysts for more complex tasks. AI's biggest strength is its ability to crunch massive amounts of data, finding hidden patterns and insights. Predictive analytics allows AI to forecast future trends, whether it's predicting customer behavior, market shifts, or equipment failures. Ever wonder how online recommendations know exactly what you're looking for? That's AI personalizing your digital experience. Recommendation systems and virtual assistants use natural language processing to understand your requests and provide helpful responses. Chapter 4. Healthcare Advancements. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately by analyzing medical images and patient data. AI algorithms identify potential tumors in scans and flag early signs of conditions. AI is also accelerating drug discovery, personalizing treatment plans, and assisting in complex surgeries with robotic precision. Chapter 5. Enhanced Cybersecurity. AI acts as a digital detective, monitoring networks for suspicious activity, analyzing patterns, and predicting potential attacks to keep our data safe. Chapter 6. Driving Innovation in Education. AI-powered educational tools create personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's pace and learning style. AI tutors provide customized feedback, identify areas of struggle, and adjust the curriculum to meet specific needs. Chapter 7. Autonomous Systems. AI powers autonomous systems beyond vehicles, like drones delivering packages, robots navigating warehouses, and autonomous ships transporting goods. This makes industry safer and more efficient by taking over dangerous or repetitive tasks. Chapter 8. Environmental Solutions. AI analyzes environmental data to optimize energy consumption, reducing our carbon footprint. AI algorithms predict natural disasters with greater accuracy and help farmers optimize crop yields while minimizing resource use. Chapter 9. Natural Language Processing, or NLP. AI-powered translation tools break down language barriers, making communication easier worldwide. NLP enables sentiment analysis, helping us understand emotions and opinions in text data, crucial for social media monitoring and market research. Chapter 10. Empowering Creativity. AI collaborates with musicians, artists, and writers, pushing boundaries and inspiring new forms of artistic expression. Outro, the future of AI. From automating tasks to augmenting creativity, AI is profoundly impacting our world. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more transformative changes, focusing on ethical AI and quantum computing. The future of AI is immense, reshaping industries and society.